Hello parents, are you ready to embark on an extraordinary educational journey with your child? Look no further than the Lumen Schools. Our preparatory semester is more than just a stepping stone. It's the foundation for a seamless transition into our regular session and even promotion to the next class in August. With a maximum of 12 students per section, each child is enveloped in an atmosphere of personalized attention, ensuring every mind shines brightly. Experience the magic of our remarkable teacher-student ratio of 1:6, where highly qualified and experienced educators ignite the spark of curiosity and guide students towards success. At the Lumen Schools, we don't just teach, we inspire. Our curriculum boasts a unique blend of educational methods, including Montessori, STEAM, and cutting-edge robotics and AI awareness. Step into our lively and engaging classrooms, where learning isn't just a lesson, it's an exhilarating adventure every single day. Choose from our 12 co-curricular and extracurricular clubs, where your child can explore their passions and broaden their horizons beyond the classroom. Rest easy knowing that our school is nestled in a secure gated community, with campus security adhering to the latest protocols for your peace of mind. Discover our sprawling 18-canal park, a haven for outdoor exploration, play, and learning, including kitchen gardening and even a school zoo. And when it comes to transportation, worry not. We provide comfortable and safe transport equipped with trackers on all major routes, ensuring your child's journey to and from school is as secure as can be. Enroll your child at the Lumen Schools today and watch as their brilliance shines brighter than ever before. Welcome to the Lumen Schools, where we don't just educate. We build the future of your child.